Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best night vision dash cams for safer driving in 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Aprilboy 4K Wi-Fi Mirror Dash Cam Smart Driving Assistant ADAS BSD. This 4K Wi-Fi enabled mirror dash cam from Aprilboy features advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and blind spot detection BSD. It also supports external GPS and includes night vision capabilities, making it a smart choice for safer driving. With 24-hour parking monitoring, it ensures round-the-clock protection for your vehicle. The advantages are 4K resolution for crystal clear footage, ADAS and BSD for enhanced driving safety, 24-hour parking monitor. The disadvantages are installation can be complicated. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. LINGDU 5K Dash Cam LD06. The LINGDU LD06 5K Dash Cam is equipped with Wi-Fi, GPS, and a WDR night vision system. It records high-resolution 5K video for sharp visuals day or night. With 24-hour parking mode and a durable design, it's a reliable car accessory for capturing incidents and securing your vehicle at all times. The advantages are 5K resolution for ultra-clear video, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS for real-time tracking, 24-hour parking mode. The disadvantages are, may have a steep learning curve for first-time users. At number 3. OBDPEAK 3-camera dash cam 4K. This OBDPEAK dash cam features 4K resolution and a 3-camera setup for front, rear, and interior coverage. With GPS tracking and night vision, it provides clear visuals and full monitoring even in low light. The parking monitor enhances security, and the 1080p rear camera ensures a wide-angle view of the road. The advantages are 3-camera setup for comprehensive coverage, 4K front camera for sharp images, GPS tracking for easy location monitoring. The disadvantages are rear camera has lower resolution, 1080p. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. VIOFO A229 Plus Card DVR 2K HDR. The dashcam offers 2K HDR video recording, utilizing a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for excellent night vision. With built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control, it's a feature-packed model for drivers seeking convenience. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi enhances connectivity for faster video downloads and real-time monitoring. The advantages are 2K HDR video for sharp, detailed recordings, Sony Starvis 2 sensor for excellent low-light performance, voice control for hands-free operation. The disadvantages are price is higher due to premium features. At number 1. TiESFONG M10 Max 2K 1440p Dashcam. The Dashcam delivers 2K 1440p video recording across 4 channels, providing a 360-degree view of your vehicle. It includes 24-hour parking monitoring, GPS, and night vision. With support for up to 256 GB of storage, it's ideal for long trips and extensive video recordings. The advantages are 4-channel recording for 360-degree coverage, 24-hour parking monitor for added security, supports up to 256 GB of storage. The disadvantages are, may require larger storage cards for